How's Temple Run going? He's on Temple Run. No, boys, you remember Temple Run? Look.
You know what? I bet you can't even be.
He can't even show us because he's in the game. Look, he's fully on Temple Run. That's what I need to show them, innit? Whack it in sport. So she's in sport now. Let's see how she performs, man. She gets off though. Dirty diesel. 0 to 60 pretty quick. She's not there yet, but she's there now. You're a dusser. But is this not entertainment enough? The beautiful visuals of the C2, what is it, 2.1 diesel?
220 2.1 diesel AMG line.
So why is it a 220 then? Why is it not a 210? Why is the C63 from this era not called the C62? Huh? It ain't no 6.3, it's a 6.2 real ones now. That's what Merc do, they clickbait.
I'm not trying to get political.
This ain't politics, G, this is facts.
No, this is politics. I'm not trying to blame any certain group of people for this, yeah, but you know who it is, innit?
You're making a deep situation of something that's not that deep, my brother.
All your AdSense, your Google AdSense are going today.
No, it's not, don't say that. What about this little bandstand here? That's what it's called, bandstand.
Bandstand? I call that gazebo.
Gazebo?
Yeah.
That's not a gazebo, that's a bandstand. Gazebo is not like a gazebo is a temporary solution.
Yeah, that is a gazebo as well, but like, you can get wooden ones, can't you? Am I waffling?
That's a brick one. Who come up with the word anything? Who discovered?
Who come up with the word? Who?
Nah, you're scaring me, cause now like the guy who discovered milk, what was he doing with the cow?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I want to know. I want to search his search history, innit?
You know what I think about?
What?
How can you milk an almond? How you get an almond milk?
Oh, I hear ya.
Bro, see,
They must mash it up and blend it, nah? Oh, yeah, the chat shit, you know.
What?
It's hidden in plain sight. Oh, do you want almond milk with that? Shut up. Almond don't produce milk. It ain't got udders.
Exactly. You get it, you know it.
Get me. As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Furthermore, what's oat milk?
Yeah.
Is oat a cereal? Guys making milk out of pure granola. Out of a solid oat milk. Are you stupid, fam? Yo, if you go Starbucks or Costa, you deserve it anyway. Oat milk, please. Shut up.
You know, on a real one though, you know when you go Tesco, Sainsbury's?
Yeah.
What colour top of milk do you get?
I don't really eat that milk. If I had to.
Oh, you don't drink that milk?
Nah, I get natural milk, I'm telling you.
No, actually, like,
I don't f about. I go to the farm, yeah, and eggs.
Yeah, farm.
But if I had to do that, I'd get the blue one.
That's one. It's always a blue one.
Perfect consistency. Why am I getting the green one? I got tap water at home. That's a gazebo. But that's a KKK mask. But that's a gazebo. So you're not even denying it.
Well, I don't know. I'm not a bloody gazebo expert, am I?
Well, you was a minute ago.
It's not my fault. Everyone else called it a gazebo, and I've seen that with my own 2 eyes. And now I stopped calling it a gazebo.
This is East League, this, my brother.
East League.
Yeah. Famous village what I'm banned from.
What are you banned for, bro?
Duct tape the pushchair to my grill.
What are you doing that for, bro?
So they all think I run over their little one. Yeah. You think I'm lying, bro?
No, you told me this before as well.
You have to seriously do that right now. Yo.
Oh, he's trying to back into us.
Trying to ram us, yeah. See, this is a mellow cruise today, innit? Because check this, I got a cut on my hand and now it's going to make me look antisocial on the video.
How'd you get a cut on your hand?
I lost my bouncy ball, I've gone under the skirting board.
Oh.
I've nanked this one as well. This one went too far.
Could have wore some gloves.
That's true, but obviously, you know, heat in the moment, you want your bouncy ball back. You don't think about no safety equipment, etc. See? Oh. See? She's a bit scatty. Once she's off the line, she's alright. I don't know why she's kicking there. I'm driving normal, but other than after that, she's fine. National speed limit, look. I'm gonna let her off. You're feeling your starlights?
Yeah.
See how it does on these roads, innit?
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, she just slips, man. Scatty motherfucker. Woo! You know what? I hate how the paddle shifts aren't that responsive. Because I'm not using them in it. The car's sort of deciding what gear I'm in for me. And I don't like that, I'll be honest. I like my semi-automatic at most.
Yeah.
But it does get off. And you gotta remember, it's not a performance car, it's not meant to be doing
Yeah, and
this.
it is quite old as well.
Yeah.
It's not
one of the early ones, this, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's pre-facelift C-Class.
Woo! I did not think this would be this scatty though. Don't you think these roads are worse than last time you come?
Yeah, 100%.
They get worse. I'm on them every day, innit? Every day they get worse and worse and worse. And the thing is, you just know they ain't gonna get repaired either.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to move on, boys, soon. There'll be no road left for me to drive on. Just POV driving on a dirt track. Look at the traction right now. That's nice. You know, S-Class from this era. Beautiful. That's one of the only new ones that I do like.
Yeah.
The GT63. What's in there though? What engine is in it?
I think it's a 4.4
That's fine.
V8.
That's alright. 4 anything's fine.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say 2-litre hybrid.
No.
It's got an engine from a Prius. It gets off though. See, I would downshift now, innit, personally. I wouldn't do this in whatever efficient, economical gear I'm in. Don't worry, Mosh. It's manageable, innit? It's like a manageable rear. It's not like it's an M3 where you've got to do a bicep workout to bring it back in.
Yeah.
This sort of like, you just kind of ease it back in and it's fine. It's not even that annoying. It's just surprisingly scatty, that's what I'm saying. I just weren't expecting it to be like this. See? You can full throttle it on a turn without braking traction.
Yeah.
It's alright for me, I don't really drive silly, but a couple of years ago I feel like that would have pissed me off.
Yeah.
Just like that, she's at 60. Cause what's your favourite song, what you sang as a kid? Growing up even. I did like You Got a Friend in Me, Toy Story, Woody and that.
Wait, what was that one, yeah? The dish ran away with the spoon.
Oh, wait, what is that?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to think now.
The dish ran away with the spoon, bar, black sheep, have you any more? The dish ran away with the spoon, that's it.
No, I'm sure it wasn't that. Yes sir, 3 bags full.
One for the dish that ran away from the spoon.
No, you're mixing it.
I'm not. Max Dean, Sean Dean, whatever his name is. I ain't mixing it. And the dish ran away with a spoon. What is it? Shorty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. The dish ran away with a spoon. That,
No, that's a
Sean Kingston.
yeah,
That's
Sean.
Justin Timberlake in Belen.
Was it?
Yeah. The dish ran away with a spoon. That's Numberjacks. That's the number taker.
Sean Kingston.
Eeny.
Yeah, Eeny.
Fat bastard anyway. I don't care. Sean Kingston. The dish ran away with the spoon.
No, it was Hey Doodle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
And the dish ran away with a spoon.
No, the little dog laughed.
Oh no, you're right. The little dog laughed to see what
Hey
fun.
Doodle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Yo, the dish ran over the spoon. What a slag.
Innit? What does she even see in the dish? She's not even got from a good family. What's his cast? Some of the shit you lot come out with. This is a car YouTube channel on about dish ran away with the spoon.
Yo, you asked to be fair.
This ain't working. Did you press it? Oh, the button won't work, will it?
Oh shit, yeah.
There's a hazard to it.
The hazards work.
Nah, the button won't work, innit? Oh, that we just solved it. Like, I'd get to 60 and I'd know, look at him in the Panda, cause he don't give a got a very serious announcement. A lot of people are now jumping on the whole social media hype and they're just relying to one day they're gonna blow up and start making money. But the reality is these platforms like YouTube and TikTok, they don't even pay that much. I know guys with 1 mil on TikTok, they're moving like they're homeless, bro. Myself included. With petrol costs and insurance costs, I break even. I don't make profit from YouTube ad revenue. So if you're like me and you're a strong believer in working smarter and not harder, the best way to make money on social media is through brand deals. You watch us content creators, you know this, we rely on brand deals. But you can't do that by yourself. If you don't know how to negotiate and how to actually speak to these brands, you're going to get ripped off. Very rich companies, and they're going to lowball you with like 200, 300 pounds for a promotion. That's where my guy Faz comes in. He does all the negotiating and all the hard work for you, and he only takes a small cut. We found me 4-figure deals. I'm making a usual salary off this channel, and I'm not even a big YouTube channel. You do not have to be a massive creator. Just get on board with Faz's program, speak to him, put his email in your descriptions, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to, there's no upfront cost. You don't actually have to do anything. He does all the hard work for you. We're not selling you a dream. You got to be patient, but if you're growing your social media, make sure you do this as well to actually get paid and know your worth, bro. Stop being silly and contact him now. Did you watch Numberjacks and that?
Oh yeah, of course I watched Numberjacks.
Yes, you know about Spooky Spoon?
Yeah, I know about Spoon. You know about Number Taker?
You know the dish ran away with the spoon? That's Spooky Spoon. I think it's her. Nah, it is. I know her from somewhere.
Yeah, it fully is as well.
That's the kind of shit happen. You know what I mean, innit? The purple spoon.
Like
or the pink one. You remember Bubblebeard? Whatever. What's his name?
What is it? The Puzzler. His name was the Puzzler.
The Puzzler. Cause you know the Number Taker. I think he needs to seek employment.
Yeah, Number Taker.
He hangs out with a bunch of cartoons all day.
Number nonce. He was.
Bloody hell. Number nonce, yeah.
Yeah.
What about Mr. Maker?
Yeah, Mr. Maker.
Did you ever make it?
Did he ever make it?
No, did you ever make any of the shit he was making? Like, did no one ever follow along? My man used to whip out a sandcastle in his kitchen. Woo! A sandcastle in his kitchen. He made an actual sandcastle. Even my mum was pissed. Like, how am I meant to pattern that for these lot? Sandcastle. You think we've got a cement mixer in the kitchen? Allow it. Mr. Maker. That's why I watched Squiglet, innit? Squiglet was a bit more... he was home friendly, innit? Furry bastard, yeah? But he was more home friendly. He just had his squiggle sticks, his crayons. Squiglet didn't about. Maker, yeah? He just got a whole... He went to his warehouse. Every video goes to his warehouse.
Oh, you know what? Did you watch Grandpa in My Pocket?
Yeah, not the shrinking cap, Grandpa.
Remember Grandpa in My Pocket?
What do you know about Grandpa in My Pocket?
That's a throwback, that one.
How much you reckon the shrinking cap's going for now on eBay? I'm saying that's a 20 grand investment. Shrinking cap, are you skunked?
At least 70 grand.
I reckon it'd be a couple mil, you know. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they lived at Skeggy. They actually lived in Skeggy. The shrinking cap, of all places, is not in a museum, it's in Skeggy. You clued up though, innit, on your CBBS. What, you couldn't afford Disney either? No. Oh, you know what? Recently a delivery man delivered my parcel to about 5 houses down. And I only recognised it because it's the only white house on my street. Banged a refund. I'm wearing the coat right now. Hugo Boss. What's going on there? How's he mounted the curb? I wish it weren't so wet today, man. I don't mind, someone like you's alright, but you know when the outsider comes, it's long, you just gotta entertain them.
Oh yeah, what, be bare energetic?
Yeah. I hate it when someone awkward gets in the car, you know.
But I couldn't do it, you know.
You have to, innit? If I'm trying to be consistent, then I've got it.
You have to. You've been doing it for a long time, but me, I could never do this, what you're doing.
Well, shooting or just chilling with people.
Yeah, but I've got no social battery.
This is what it's built for, innit? Cruising on here.
Yeah.
I don't know why, something about having an old auto. You just don't sit right with me, innit? I just feel like the gearbox.
I do get what you mean. Like, it is a bit.
It's just a headache. If I'm gonna replace the gearbox, I would have just got a car a couple years newer. But if you're saying it's reliable, if it actually don't give you issues,
this one's fine.
Yeah, if it don't give you issues while you have it, then you win, innit?
Yeah.
You can't complain. Then I'd get one, but obviously there's no guarantee of that, innit? For me, it's just not.